We're good to go.
Hello, hello, I'm audible. Hello. Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Niraj Kumar Singh. Today I will be presenting my research paper on digital transitionalism and youth mobility, a case study of learning network between the Bihar and Indian diaspora. Can you go to the next slide, please? Next. So this is the India. Bihar is the one of the India most migration incentive in region with the 7.4 around 7.45 million people living in the Bihar state, which is the my hometown in India, and impacted around 50% household affected by migration, with the youth forming in the large demography, education and employment. The core mobility, the not just a physical definition, but defining feature of the estate, socio-economy and survival and educational platform. Can you go to the next, please? Uh, so objective and methodology. To explore the learning network analysis, diaspora youth and interaction, understand the thesis transformation and focusing a structural barrier. This study is conducted in 10 district across Bihar, Patna, Gaya, Siwan, Nalanda, where I work during my I have been already work around more than 10 years across in the my Bihar, and this study conducted with my intern. Every year I mentor for the social work a student from the BSW and MSW across Central University of India, and the 10 intern they directly involved in this my project to working with this working with this project, and digital learning mobilization through how we are connecting to analysis the WhatsApp, Zoom, and YouTube to enable the education and connect with the global mentor to international career opportunity. So one of the you can look at here. This is the two type: traditional learning and hybrid learning. So traditional learning, how they functional for the nowadays Indian institute and public institution, they are offering called smart classes. So smart classes is moving on the traditional way, sitting in the one classroom and 1025, but hybrid learning, the individually sitting and directly connecting with the across globe with the practitioner educator to know and deeply understanding like how they're going to be part of the more cohesion in this learning method. And so this diaspora is knowledge bridging the explore learning far for the behind the geographical border. And this is the one of yes. So next slide, please. Structural and hybrid structural identity and beyond the local root is the global complete comprehension. This precedents the barrier, the limited, this is the very limited digital access in the rural area, while in the India 69% of the population living in the rural area, but while visiting in the real scenario is the fully different. Still where I work, still they are very difficulty if they want to talk with the connect with the internet in the 21st century, in the now 2026, they need to travel around 5 kilometer, 5 kilometer to find suitable network. That is the one of the challenge they are struggling and facing. So and my implication strength the digital infrastructure in rural area, promote diaspora youth collaboration, and develop culturally responsible online learning. Like why I am promoting like cultural responsible, I feel like in India cultural responsible we have multiple more than 300 language. So every state has different language, and the different language and on in a one state is the multiple language. So cultural responsibility teaching opportunity to teach them in their culturally responsible in the local language to clear their idea thought behind. Guys, a student are taking classes only for the a certain time in the school, but behind the classroom, they need to mingle with their mother tongue language. And indicator and recommendation, there is a next, I think. Next, thank you. And next, my recommendation, there is urgent need to strengthen digital infrastructure in the rural Bihar, and for the collaboration and partnership with the digital mission of the government of India and state and organizational support the diaspora youth collaboration. And that's thank you so much for, and I'm ready to for the next for our discussion to discuss more about this. Thank you so much.